Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo sikubingelela einsukwini uma ngaphazama umsombuluko insuku zishaka lolunye uzu9 mawuthanda the 9th kuMarch 2026 unyaka ke esikuwo uyabona yini ukuthi siyagamanxa manje siya kwikota siyawushaya ukota oqala kungekudala kuzobe kuthiwa ziyavala izikole vele uboneke ukuthi hey mangabe into zakho ungayihlelile kahle uyothi uthi phapha sifika kuJune safika kuJune uthi thuthi uyaphaphama vele ke ngempela sesithola sewuphelile ke unyaka mangabe senamaphupho onawo naloko ke ubuyihlelele kona ukuthi wena uzokwenza qala njengamanje ukwazi ukuthi ke ukwenze siyazi ke ningi incindezi ezikhona kodwa ke bakwethu kubekezela nokuya phambili ikona ke okubalulekile ngihambe ngedwa ke nami bakhona ke oza kwethu ukhona ke ubanele uBrazo wakwasondlo kanjalo ke naye ke uDerek Phukela short by house so kwethulela ke zona indaba uma ngabe sithi siPhenyi Bheshu show ila ke siyayisibheke khona okwenzekayo sibone ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani kulolu suku la namhlanje ngeke saxina ngento eziningi ngiyazi ukuthi nje manje thothi usetaxini awubabingelele nje lapha etaxini ungiphamisela isandla ngibona ukuthi wena ungibani ungwakabane njengalokho ke sihlezi nawe kwesinye isikhathi usemotweni nje yakho mhlawumbe kwiBolt noma kwiUber uyihlalele ngemuva ubuka ke ithembisa online bingelele ke umshayeli siphathane kahle njengalokho ke sisakaza bukhoma ke se the hangout 1632 ukhumbule ukuthi ke namhlanje la ihangout ziyenzeka ke izinto khona ke yabomhodu kanti zikhona ke nezinto lezi ke ezikaqedisa isizungu uma ngabe sikhuluma ke ngophuzo lolu ke oludakayo khumbule kalithengiselwa abangaphansi kweminyaka engu18 kulolu suku la namhlanje indaba esikuphathele zona sokwesibheke kube nesiteleke besikhona esiqaleke izolo bonile amathayi bonile kusho umlilo sizakhulumisana nabo ke lapha ke abayizakhamuzi zalapha yeTswelopili extension 80 okuyitswelopili informal settlements sizwile ukuthi bathi babambisene nayo indawo yaseClayville bazosichazela njengoba sinabo la ngiyazi ukuthi umphakathi ubusibheke ukuthi sifike lapha endaweni yabo kodwa ke ngenxa ke hibe ethile sigcine singakwazanga ukuyofika ke emphakathini kodwa sasesithi sicela nize la sihlale phansi sikwazi ukukhuluma udaba lwenu kanti ke ezinye zeindaba esokubhekela zona lezi ezithinta ukuboshwa kwabalisa abane macaleni kayamaniswa ke nokubanjwa ke inkunzi ke nokungenelwa ke kwamalungu omphakathi ke ezindlini nje ukuhlukumeza nje umphakathi baboshiwe ke uzokuchazela ke ngalolo udaba sibone ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani kodwa ke okwamanje siyazi ukuthi ke kusasa kulindeleke ukuba ke kube nayo yenkulumo emayelana ke nemali esifundazweni saseGauteng ungqongqoshe ubhekele komnyango wezemali nokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho umhlonishwa ke uLebogang Mayile kulindeleke ukuba ke ethule inkulumo emayelana ke nesabelo sezimali kulesi sifundazwe saseGauteng lapha ke kulona ke kusoyishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng nathi ke siyithembisa online sizobe sikhona sakaza bukhoma kusuka ngo9 ekseni kuyoze ke kushaye u12 kodwa ke inkulumo kaNgqongqoshe singayilindela ke ngehora le10 kodwa ke ake sijike ngapha bese ke siyabuya.
The Gauteng provincial government is working to expand public services such as health and education, grow an inclusive economy, create jobs and fight crime. MEC of Finance and Economic Development Lebogang Mayile will outline how these and other projects will be funded when he presents the 2026-2027 provincial budget to the legislature on Tuesday the 10th of March at 10 a.m. Tune in to your favorite radio station for a live broadcast of the speech and join the conversation about public finances on X and Facebook using hashtag Gauteng Budget 2026. This message is brought to you by the Gauteng Provincial Government, growing Gauteng together.
Sawubona ngiyazi ukuthi ke nawe uhlezi nathi ake ngibheke obani ke babantu abanye abantu ke sihlezi nabo la Mashapa Silepe omunye ke wabantu abakhona la sihlezi naye uthi sawubona bhuti kusho ke uMashapa Silepe uNatasha B Mabuza naye ke uyabingelela uphakamisa ke isandla Mahlatse Masekela hi Mahlatse Masekela uSylvester umvikeli Mbana umngani wami uyaphila kodwa uthi ke hello bhuti Thembisa online team and the respective fans kanti ke Shimza Malaka kunjani lapho kube ubabalwa Mgolodela uba nomunye la uStanley Mulobetsi uthi la kuvela Nwanwa wamukala Halanda. Ya ungixolele ngazi noma ngibiza kahle yini kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi mina nawe siyibambe kahle lapho mfoka kithi. Ake sibheke ukuthi obanye abantu abakhona ngaphambi kokuthi singene kuzo ke indaba esikuphathele zona kulolu suku la namhlanje. Sawubona igama umfanele uPhenyo Ibheshu kwaDzanibe. Thanda abantu MC uyaphila MC uthi ke danko bhuti nabanye ke abantu ke esihlezi nabo. Ya injalo indaba. Ake sivele singene ke kuzo ke indaba sikubhekele ukuthi ke ngabe indaba esikuphathele zona kulolu suku lwanamhlanje kuhamba kanjani. Singaqinisekisa ukuba ke lapha ke kuye kwaboshwa abasolwa abane abatholakala ke lapha ke noma ke laba basolwa batholakala nezibhamu kanjalo ke nempahla ke eyebiwe. Abasolwa ke bebevele ke abantu abaningi bekhala ngabo. Kanti ke umnyango wamaphoyisa esifundazweni ke lama isifundo kwisifunda saseKuruleni eKuruleni Metropolitan Department amaphoyisa kaMasipala abopheke laba ke ngaphansi kohlaka oluse Winnie Mandela babophela babasolwa ngamacala ke ukubamba inkunzi behlomile noma kuphanga behlomile nokutholakala ke nempahla eyebiwe endaweni ke yase Winnie Mandela. Ngalesi sikhathi ke amaphoyisa kaMasipala eqhubeka nomsebenzi wawo ojwayelekile. Baboneke imoto ke yohlobo ke lwe Toyota Quest esilver njengalokho ke umshayeli wayo ke ehlulekile ukuthi ame baseke begijimisa lapha ya emgaqweni uDM Marukane uma ngabe ke ulibangisela ngalapha kuNdlovu Avenue abeke seseshwa ke imosho kuthola imoto kwatholakala ke lapha ke inhlavu kanjalo ke nesibhamu esingekho ke emthethweni kwase ke kutholakala ukuthi ke kanti vele laba bantu ke ibona ke bebevele ke behlupha la endaweni ke yaseThembisa. Baningi ke abantu abeze ngaphambili bezobhalisa ke amacala wokubanjwa ke inkunzi yibo laba basolwa. Iminyaka yalaba basolwa singayiqinisekisa ukuthi ke lapha ke eminyakeni elinganiselwa ngama-28 kuya ke eminyakeni engama-40 between the ages of 28 and 40 years. Kanti ke babanjiwe ke basewa ke station samaphoyisa eThembisa emacaleni kayamanisa ukutholakala ke nempahla eyebiwe negameko ke nokuphehla nje ke isimo sokubamba abantu ke inkunzi okuyinto ke asebevele ke bejwayeze khona. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ke baningi abantu abebeloku bekhala bakhalile abantu abaningi ngemoto bekuthiwa hey nayi imoto esilver iyasihlupha nayi imoto esilver iyasihlupha. Singaqinisekisa ke nje manje ukuthi ke bakwethu labo basolwa baboshiwe okwamanje ke ngeke ke saveza ubuso babo ngenxa ukuthi kusalindele ukuthi ke bavele ngaphambi ke kwemantshi noma ke kwenkantolo yemantshi yakhona lapha ke eThembisa. Kuyothi ke ngemuva kwalokho amaphoyisa azobe seshicilela ekwazi ukuthi asivezele bona. Baningi ke abantu asebeze ngaphambili bezosho ukuthi hayi laba bantu ke nokho ke basihluphile ilokho ke singakwazi ukuthi ke siqinisekisele khona lapha ke ubani ke unomsele thuthukile maphatho uyaphawula naye lapha ngendlela aphawula ngayo. uMasha Jumaima uyabingelela kanti ku Alucius Mazia kube ke uDebra Gahiso uZandile uMangidi kube ke uRanzu Shawuke uThembeka Madinangwe Dlomo abanye ke babantu laba esihlezi nabo khona la kuThembisa online. Ake siphinde ke futhi sijike ngapha ke ngaseyitolo uma ngabe ke bafowethu kuzokwazi ukuthi kuhambe kahle siphinde sikhuthaza abantu. Khumbule ke kusasa sisakaza bukhoma asikhumbuze ukuthi ke isikhangisi lesi esilethelwa ke iwona ke uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGauteng ikakhulukazi abaphethe lapha yana ke kuyona ke noma ke sishamthetho njengalokho ke kulindeleke ukuthi ke ungqongqoshe wezezimali nokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho umhlonishwa ke uLebohang Mayile akwazi ukuthi uzokwethula ke inkulumo esabelo sezimali. Ake sijike ngapha bese siyabuya sikhulumisana nomphakathi waseTsolopile Extension 8.
The Gauteng provincial government is working to expand public services such as health and education, grow an inclusive economy, create jobs and fight crime. MEC of Finance and Economic Development Lebohang Maile will outline how these and other projects will be funded when he presents the 2026-2027 provincial budget to the legislature on Tuesday the 10th of March at 10 a.m. Tune in to your favorite radio station for a live broadcast of the speech and join the conversation about public finances on X and Facebook using hashtag Gauteng Budgets 2026. This message is brought to you by the Gauteng Provincial Government, growing Gauteng together.
Cha sawubona igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaZanibe sihlezi kwishow esibiza ngokuthi ke siPhenyi Bheshu ukhumbuleke siyatholakala na ku YouTube siyacela nisilandele bakwethu ku YouTube angisiyo umuntu ovama ukucela abantu izinto so kusho ukuthi yabona mangicela into bokwazi ukuthi leyo nto ibaluleke ukwedlula ezinye zezinto ku YouTube uyasichecka Thembisa Online News bese ke uyasubscribe lokho ke siyokuthakasela kakhulu Sylvester uya bese kuba u DJ Rainbow uLisedi Makwale utuduzile magabela kanti ke ubani le umina hi mina Jomo so amadoda ngiyalithanda ke leli gama mina hi mina Jomo yeah mina hi how are you mina hi all right kube uClaudia noma uClaudia uMpho Joyce yeah hayi siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi hayi uyasaluta naye nabanye ke sizokwazi ukuthi si check ukuthi ama comments wabo ngabe ahamba kanjani right la sikhona sinezakhamuzi la okay naku kahle kahle kufanele ngabe ngikuphethe sinezakhamuzi zalapha ya endaweni yaseTswelopele extension 8 indawo ke emjondolo le siyazi ukuthi ke indawo ehlalihlale ibe nokuthi ibe nazo izikhalo enazo kodwa ke kulokho bathukuthele baganunu wabo njengalokho ke uzobona izithombe sokuvezela njengamanje njengoba ngikhuluma nje bebevala umgwaqo kusukela ke izolo baqoqa amathayi base ke babewashisa amanye basebevuka ke bevala umgwaqo ke omkhulu okuwumgwaqo obizwa ukuthi ke uR562 abaningi ke bawazi nje ukuthi Olifantsfontein Road ngale yangase Mall of Thembisa omunye umgwaqo abaphinde bawuvala futhi umgwaqo ke omkhulu osuka la ngase Kalkfontein khona ulibangise le ngase Mall of Thembisa ubizwa ngokuthi uRepublic Road loyo mgwaqo loyo sizama ukuthola kabanzi ukuthi ngabe Mathatha hanhle king Mathatha jwale njengoba sibona ukuthi naba bakwalatsila uyayibona le nto le abantu bayangihleka ke mangikhuluma ke isipedi sami esami lesi si unique yes si unique lesa akekho umuntu ongangithathela sona kumnandi ukuba unique no kodwa ke ngaphandle kokudlala abafowethu ngiyazi abantu bakhuluma isipedi baye bengathanda ukuthi mhlambe silimosha ulimi labo kodwa ke niyazi njengoba nathi sifunda ukuthi nje siyafunda abanye phela umuntu banokuba sensitive uthi wena uyadlalela uyafunda omunye umuntu eyithola ukuthi use thinteke kabi ungayithathi kabi ukufunda nje kancane Thobela letso ha jwang ntate awa ke kopa o shebe camera ya hao ntate o kgone o dumelisa setjhaba o kgone o re jwetsa hore ke ntate mangwa ha mangwe tswa o le kae
right
ntate
nna ke nna Abraham Hlongwane the community leader of Tswelopele extension 8 yeah mo ile gore gona le strike mabane let me just get to make a slide. If I background or why really more today. We are here today. Because my little colleague Chaka J4. Then what I see we share one about local interview. So we are here today because here give you guys like we wish about to about local save. Well, got the Iguruleni municipality. Yeah, under the leadership of Comrade Mayor Dr. Kakaza. Then we have been staying on that settlement as from the year 2007. The informal settlement 10 plus minus 18 years without basic service delivery. Why I'm saying this? We have been actually Baribeile Molaga 2007, Barichia from our former informal settlement Dudusa North under Iguleni municipality. Service I get to service delivery. So now, I promise you regular 3 months. From that year on 2007, I think I proper service delivery. Then only to find that the land before Nari Moyona, ile ya fewer 50 communal flushing toilets, a bulk infrastructure down the grounds. So we have been engaging with Iguruleni for many years. Up until Rebarumela a petition. This is the copy of the petition that we have Rebarumejinyo Naga 27 August 2024. In a lay proof Yagorabayamu generally the stamp on it. Then Rerumejugo, the executive mayor being Mr. Dr. Kakaza, sincerely the Speaker of the Council, in Thabiseng Shivenga, and all the relevant departments, because okay level like Rayona, in a little clauses, chelo already, dinale the item Jerma Changa because we're complaining as the informal or no. We are requesting our metro, being Iguruleni Metro, to formalize the settlement by proclaim because one reservoir because we do more standing was not deed, we no legal or more property. Because surely in South Africa, we don't go vale a title deed, we continue our property how. So these people they've been ignorant since the inception of the informal settlement, whereby some of us Rula Mola we've been allocated the RTB houses. Then we came to the metro in the via of this petition to say, Metro, let's sit down and negotiate because we fully aware our RTB journey has been stolen and allocated to the wrongful beneficiaries. Now we are requesting you to come with the city planning to formalize the settlement and upgrade the sewer line so that we may be able to connect the sewer on ourselves.
Okay. Ngizoza kuwe baba sikhulume. Thobela awusi? Letsohile.
Re ka buseleng.
Number 1 o ka sheba camera ye o khone o dumelesa setjhaba o khone o di introduce.
Dumelang phakathi extension 8 le phakathi ka moka wa 1632. You are bolela mo ke stroka wa Pufedi from extension 8. So re tlemo as a community aratarel ka moka only few of us ka baka la dilo ja rena bele ka phakathi extension 8. Extension 8 ke pleke lor e bilona ka 2007 yelor since from 2007 aina service delivery at all sama thoma ke bolela lo ja tshwana metsi extension 8 arna metsi topender re fo metsi ka ra dijojo re ga metsi ka ra dijojo extension 8 arna tsela mo elo re thoka tsela topender even a bolt ro ka I request re tsena extension 8 ka sta o pick up gate it lo pick up straight mo elo still you are not safe. Even the taxi jarena, the association jarena, they are feel or the Gatajar pick up extension 8 because I want to tell at all. I want to talk about Melo Bergshagolia play Molo around tell. Then the other thing I did toilet, extension 8 Rabato Fela, Arna toilet. Reberixa di toilet, Jadi mobile, Jadi container, Milo the Honor Feja more than 2 weeks it is a drainal. Then now as I'm speaking, 12 the extension 8 did not 2 weeks it's a drainal. So Nana is moto opelaven Karasemuselore, hygiene at all IO. Because the more toilet is a drainal, the most na hygiene. Our na hygiene, our na mates, we are local abupilolo abnormal.
Okay. No, ngiyezwakala ngiyabona njoba sikhuluma nje besikesa zama ukufonela ioffice lika mayor bazomchazela kabafethu ukuthi hayi so besikwazi ukuhlela njengalokho besikhuluma sifonela loyo oyisikhulumi se office lika mayor njoba ke ngizokusho ukuthi ke thina siyithembisa online umsebenzi wethu ukuzama ukuthi ke silalele izikhalo zomphakathi bese ke siyakwazi ukuthi siye kumasipala sizwe ukuthi mhlambe wona ngabe uyazazi yini lezi inkinga zomphakathi ke ezikhona njoba ke sisemoyeni njoba ubona nje abafethu bazokhuluma naye eceleni bese sihlela ukuthi ngokulandelayo uye lo fonayo ose office lika mayor spokesperson engicabanga mhlambe ngayindaba ke ezimnandi lezo ubaba ke uRamatoro Xhotleng mhlambe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngakwazi ukuthi sithole ukuthi indaba ingalandeleka kanjani ngiyawukwa awusi so before kitlobulela lintate ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena jwale njengomuntu wesifazane taba ye iuthwara jwa I understand ukwazi ukuthi usichazele ukuthi wena usunesikhathi esingakanani mhlambe ke ukuyo le ndawo nanokuthi ngabe abantwana bakhona enendaweni bona baphatheka kanjani nayo yonke leyo nto ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona ubhuti nosisi lapha esazokwazi ukuchaza ngifuna ukuthi bona basichazele kabanzi ke ngestrike ukuthi siqale kanjani sihamba kanjani konke lokho so your experience kuyo le ndawo enhlezi kuyo itsamaya
experience lo rengare ke futa ka re yona bela ka modudu extension 8 especially bela ka motho wa mosadi e ke re hygiene ya rena I safe to depend ya re batho ba bomme the more be re ke toilet e lo re I hygiene re ke ra di infection mo toilet bear in mind rumor dula ona it's a informal settlement yes mara je dingwe rena ba bangwe re dula ka distance je lo re it's our father stance ne mo e lo re gona re ka at least re be lenyana le K2 or re gona ba le bahiri nana ka ra jarta re dula re le about 4 to 5 on top of that liberisa toilet e lo re ke a container toilet e lo re I drainolo at all no re na about a 2 weeks toilet is a drainolo so ke me lo re gona ke ra ona di infection it's unhealthy on top of that aona nako ya gore o ka re o tlo icleana toilet o tlo icleana ka metsi a fe cause a rena metsi so that's why kere as for rena batho ba basadi o dula extension 8 is more difficult.
Ngiyezwakala njengoba ke nizwela sikhulumisana ke nezakhamuzi zalapha ya extension 8 kuyona ke indawo informal settlements eTswelopele. Ntate bosachaza mhlambe ngokwama point to point kuyabona ki memorandum ya
These are the responses after our first match.
Okay, when was this? Mhlambe if reka khona uthola maybe khona ulibalela few of those responses.
The responses have got different days on it because they originate from the different departments.
Okay.
We did march on the 15th of April 2025.
Okay.
After the first submission, memorandum. Then, because why King into a engage on a march last year on April? Because Iguruleni, they were not hands-on.
Okay.
Then up until re-engage, up until re-engage on that march. So after engaging on a march on 15 April 2025, Iguruleni never turned the deaf ears, but responded. This is the copy of the responses from our metro. Then after these responses from 3 departments, hence we have marched on our petition. Our concerns, more than 5 departments.
Okay.
So to our surprises, the responses that I'm having on hand, yegi wonchamu. Then it's a fella go the department jetaro fella. Then Yamato Mori received ka 5 May 2025 after we did march on the 15th of April. It's from the Department of Human Settlement. Okay. Because on our petition we said there are some people without electricity. They have never been electrified when we get electricity on 2018. We've got 2 informal settlements inside the informal settlement.
Okay.
Now we've got Flora Park, where we've been asking Metro to electrify them.
Flora Park is
on the extension 8.
Okay.
Why we have requested Metro to electrify it? Because after we get electrification on 2018, then we have been given 14 transformers.
Okay.
Now we were remaining with only 9 transformers.
So you were formalized?
Yeah, no. Actually, we are not formalized.
So how do you get the electricity?
Now we get services because some of the residents that they are on the municipal data.
Oh, okay.
Then if the residents are on municipal data, the responsible municipality must service those residents. So then, half of the community get electrified on 2018. Flora Park has never been electrified because they are not on the municipal data.
Yeah.
Then we said as the leadership, electrify Flora Park for our transformer to be safe. Okay. Because if you don't electrify them, our transformer will get overloaded. Because these people, they will connect illegally on our transformers. Now, out of 14, we are remaining with 9 transformers that is more functional now.
All right. So before Ben electrifier, did they do the realignment of the informal settlements?
They did the realignment of informal, but one settlement being Peter's Place never been usually reblocked. Okay. On our petition, we requested Peter's Place to be electrified. On these responses, they are saying they cannot electrify Flora Park.
Okay.
And Peter's Place cannot be reblocked. Okay. That means, according to this response, Swanjiri Pileka illegal connection forever until we die. And that won't help because one of the child last year on November get electrified by electricity, illegal connection. So now, the second response is from the interwaste. If you can check, because we did supply the coverage, the photo. Then, if you can check the surrounding.
Ngiyacabanga mhlambe kunezithombe ezikhona brazo ningasivezele.
Yeah, it's okay. All illegal dumpies if you can check.
Okay.
So that means if you got this so many illegal dumpies, the rest inside our shack is out of the day. You cannot leave the bread on the outside the bread bin. In the morning you'll fight only pieces of bread because the rest will be actually fighting with the bread for the whole night. So you can see, because my sister here actually reported the health hazard. How can we live with so many rats inside our shack? Mr. Mfanelo, you cannot get inside the loo at Extension 8. You cannot even try to. So now, the second one is from the environmental department, where we have been complaining about that illegal dumpings.
Yes.
So we said to the municipality, this response is not so positive because we were expecting that you will call us on a round table,
Yes.
so that you can elaborate more and actually sell the idea to the metro.
Yes.
Then the metro actually responded with a DFES. Up until we waited from the dates of these responses, then we finally engaged them to say, we have got no option, but we are going to engage on the radical strike. Then we were communicating with them. You can see this is the WhatsApp messages.
Okay.
Then we will share with
See,
you,
sibabonisa la.
Ada. We'll share you with Ada. Then we were speaking with the gentleman who received our memorandum.
Re ka bolela ntate.
Isinzile Muto from the office of the Honorable Mayor.
Okay.
After we've marched to our CRM at Tembisa 2, Barumegi Sinzile from the office of the Mayor to receive the memorandum.
Okay.
Then we've got the coverage that have been shared with Tembisa Online. The day they received the memorandum, there's the video that I did supply to the Tembisa Online as witness that we've been engaging with the Metro. Then this is the communication that I'm going to share with the Tembisa Online.
Yes.
And I can share up Metro about the mayor's office because we've been engaging with them positively up until they actually verify the DFES. Then we decided that no, these people are not responsible. Now we have got no option, but we will use the language that the language by Guisham better, being radical protest.
Yeah.
Then yesterday, then we have having no option but to engage on that strike.
Okay. Sizoyikhuluma ngoba bakhona abanye ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ya strike. Awusi ukarata uring maybe before sikhone ukuthi sikudedele sizofaka abanye. Yini le ocabanga ukuthi iyasala ufuna ukuthi na kanjani mele yaziwe ukuze ifinyelele indlebeni zika masipala.
ntho ke nya gore masepala wa rena at least o ka re theletša ka yona ba wa retwa ka yona cause tsebe le gore ba e berekisa ke tsebe ya strike. So as batho ba extension 8 re strike ebile re bule ka dintong re eme ka maoto since from busho ba maabane re eme ka lebaka la gore a rena tsela a rena metsi buleke mo re dula ona re tsebo rena re dula le batho ba re dula le maphele le magundlwane na cause to be sure mo re le dula ona o dula ka ntho ne 1 mo ile ro share room le magundlwane a 15. So at least
amagundwane la groto.
Yeah, amaroto amagundwane
Like
tswitswitswi ebusugulele nawo akhona lapha
Okay, yeah.
emini nakhona unawo. Yeah singathatha
no hayi ukuthi ngiyahleka ngithi mayibe kwesinye isikhathi abantu banokuthi mhlambe siya strike abanye aba strike amagundwane so ngenzela ukuthi sizwe kahle yabo ngikwazi ukuqonda kahle. Yes.
Yeah, so ntho ile re esiphakathi to extension 8 re misije ka maoto ke taba masipala wa rena o re bone at all because if o bo re bona masipala wa rena bo re theleja since from 2007 nana ngwane ile ro 8 from
2007.
Exactly. Ngwane ile ro matric nana ngwane ile ro ka re matric me ile ro azange kumane even a single service delivery ka 30 years of democracy re bitsa yona ntho.
All right. No, siyabonga kakhulu. Ake sizibiza abanye kwamanje sojiya ngaseyitolo. Sawubona ngiyakubingelela igama ngumfanele uPhenyi Bheshu kaDzanibe. Ukhumbuleke uhlelo siPhenyi Bheshu. Udaba ke lolu luqhubekayo sisho bakwethu inhloso yethu akusika ukuthi mhlambe kukhulunywe kabi ngomasipala ukuveza izimvo zomphakathi abe bekade betayeleka bestrike. Sihlezi nabo nje ngoba soqonda ukuthi yini inkinga ababhekene nayo. Udaba oluqhubekayo uzothi mangabe sekuphuma izitatimende noma umasipala efuna ukuza kithi sikhulume noma sibize siye kuye siyothola kabanzi ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani la kulolu daba. Ake sije ngaseyitolo siyazi ukuthi kusasa ungqongqoshe omnyango wezezimali kanjalo ke nokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho umhlonishwa uLebo Wangimayile kulindeleke ukuba ethule inkulumo ayibhekiseke esizweni noma lapha ke esifundazweni saseGauteng emayelana nesabelo sezezimali. Ukhumbuleke iThembisa Online zobe ikhona isakaza kusongo 9 kuya ku12 kanti ke inkulumo kaNgqongqoshe izoba ke ngehora le10 ngaphakathi esishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng the Gauteng Provincial Legislature. Ake sije ngapha sizobuya nabanye.
The Gauteng provincial government is working to expand public services such as health and education, grow an inclusive economy, create jobs, and fight crime. MEC of Finance and Economic Development Lebogang Maile will outline how these and other projects will be funded when he presents the 2026-2027 provincial budget to the legislature on Tuesday, the 10th of March at 10 a.m. Tune in to your favorite radio station for a live broadcast of the speech and join the conversation about public finances on X and Facebook using hashtag Gauteng Budget 2026. This message is brought to you by the Gauteng Provincial Government, growing Gauteng together.
Asiphinda sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igaba umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaDzanibe avela mntu katyeni siyabulela hayi ikhona ungathi nje ku www.thembisaonline.co.za usicheke zokwazi ukuthi ke ulalele nezinye zenkulumo siyabonga kakhulu kodwa kancane kancane noma sonto Buthelezi uyaphila Thandiwe Zulu uyaphila mntwana umageba kanti ke uThepang Bucks 2 uthi it's been long indeed the struggle is real. That side, no any development. Which they tried with the bridge, but it's still the same. But there was a construction taking place. Utelisiwe teli, utsanmonani family yaseThembisa. UJohn Mashiko, cabanga ukuthi ubephawula ngalo la daba. Kanti ke ugugu lethu ugugu uthi Bheshu kunjani? Umegi nobuhle uthi Dzanibe. Umpho Joyce uthi ungenza busy ngethembisa online I salute you siyabonga kakhulu abanye ke babantu ke nawe mawunombuzo ungakwazi ukuthi ke ubuze sikwazi ukuthi ke sikhulume nawe angihlezi ngedwa ukhona uDerek Phukela short by Hauser ubanele uBrazo wakwaSondlo ibona ke esinabo kulolu suku lwanamhlanje nginabanye ke enginabo la sokwazi ukuthi ke sikhulumisane nabo sizwe ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke kuyaqondana Thobe likai rabulela noma riyakhuluma
rabulela
rabulela ngicela ke ubheke lapha yabe siyasichazela ke wena mangwa hamanga utswa ulikai ditaba ditsamaya
okay nna ke nna moloko Sarakalala ke tswa ke le mo Thembisa extension 8 tswela pele
okay singapha nobhuti sinaye la umhlonishwa naye ke okhona uthi ke ufuna ukulula unyawo lathi ukuzirelaxela okay ntate ke kupa ushebe camera ye o khona udubirisa sichaba o khona ubulela uri ke wena mangwa hamanga utswa ulikaya
sanibonani absheni menjani lekai ke Mathews Maphala go tswa gana mola tswela pele station 8 ke yo mongwe wa badudi ba mola
okay ari thome ka wena awusi since from yesterday kuze kuzoba manje namhlanje unale tshepo ya uri lezi zinto enilwelayo nizokwazi ukuzithola
na ho botsa nnete ne my brother ko hore tshepo yona ha ke na yona but we gonna keep fighting reason being ko hore herella rena batho ba extension 8 ha ba re tse serious at all no ba itse ba re ne re lla ka bana le hore bana ba jumpa bridge kwa ba ya sekolong ko another place mo Thembisa ne which is lo ko extension 8 arena skolo sa mathomo arena clinic so bana ba rena na ke tshwela for bana ba rena le nna ke na le bana ba ithuba le re ba nna hona kwa ba ke na mpomelelo so ho jumpa bridge kwa he pula inele you'll never know le re bana ba safe or re bang sa mathomo bridge ba re le ba lukisa bridge so bridge ya rena ha ona different.
Okay, because ngiyezwa nala kuma comments bathi construction was taking place but then what happened?
So nna re tseba o diriwa bridge because ne re lla ka hore pula he nele is like metsi a tsama ka mo hodima bridge akere so ra gopela lo hore at least ba re thuse ka taba bridge but ba dirile but ha ona different no tshwana le bridge ya gane
o garata o bona o di ala nka kwa ka taba tsa development le ka o fera tse le Ebenezer Toyitoyela
nna la mathomo ke nna ngwana o lo reng ke belehetswe ko extension 8 akere
okay
so nna ntho e nka ratang le re irehe ko extension 8 kore at least mokhanselara a utlwe dilo tsa rona ke sa mathomo a re lokisetse taba ya metsi le taba ya ditsela and then le ko taba tsa bridge.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu. Maphala litswile
ke tsogile papa ke ra
tswa
le
yang
ra tsoga botse nnete yona ya nyakega cause le go robala ra robala re ka se bolela ra re tsogile go no bolela nnete.
ke bona mathai ke bona mollo o diagala
mollo o bona le dithaere tse le di bonang nka baka la frustration ya badudi badudi ba tsogetse ke matla ka baka le lo bane mmušo wa rena
okay
ga o ba tšeele tlhogong ka dilo tša bona sa mathomo ke sa gata mo ba gatileng gona ka taba ya bridge re gopetse gore ba re diele bridge ka lo bane bridge ele ba e dirileng is a pedestrian bridge ba e dirileng before and since ba e dirile ge pula yena ya tlala ge e tletse mola a go tsamaege a tsamale ka godimo so wa re gopela taba bridge after strike ba tla ba re happilate bridge yona ela ba re rena re gopetse gore ba re direle yona ba ino touch up mola ka maswika ka mosaiteng ba tšhela di-cement a gona ntho e le bane re ka e šupara re ba e dirile to be honest o no tshwana le gore a rena bridge because even today as we are speaking ge pula ena bana ga ba jampe ga ba e sekolong because of bridge ga e gona.
okay sibambe kancane Maphala sizokwazi ukuthi ke siqhubeke ngiyabona ke abafethu la mhlambe ke ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubeke nawo Maphala ngiyabona la basashintsha ke ukuthi ke abonakale njengalokhu ke ekhuluma ke sibheke ukuthi ke wobani abanye abantu ke sihlezi nabo la ubani lona uBlessing Sithole uyancoma la kuncomayo ubani ke uNontobeko umthetho ukuthi mfanele ninjani uthi ke nalabo enisebenza nabo singabalandeli bethembisa online siyabonga kakhulu na wonke nje umuntu okhona ohlezi nathi nabanye abangakaze baphawule kodwa okuwukuthi ke njengoba ngikhuluma nje sihlezi sinabo la khumbuleke sakaza bukhoma hangout 1632 ungasekudala nje izobe ziduma izobe kumnandi abancebelekelayo ngiyazi kunezipesheli ezikhona la right ukathola pili intate Maphala
yes ntho engwe gape e leng gona ke goreng re na le bothata ma ga rena sekolo since re dula mola mengwaga a rena tleliniki re sokodiša le ke ntonyana e nnyane fela proof of residence a re na le police station now e se re bolela so gale re lela ka taba sekolo re lela ka taba police station re lela ka bo library now ba busy ba nyaka go dirang ba nyaka go aga private school mo gaufi le rena mo Clayville which is wrong rena re nyakang public school ge lo bane e mo gaufi le rena bana ba rena ba ka kgona gore ba tsene sekolo ka mola ntle le go jumpa bridge e le bona ba faileng gore bona ba re lokišetse yona.
okay city planning ya pleke e tsamaya yang is it an approved place ba re nka yona because ngiyezwa usisi mayethu azalelwa khona it looks like it's a very indala kakhulu 2007 bese kuvele sekuneyinkinga zokuthi niyademanda kutsamaya yabo
go iša nneteng ke goreng pleke la ya rena or felo lela la rena ke la gale le mola mara a banya go le proclaimer ba sa no re bitsa re dula mo transit
okay
so ke butsa re
ba re king transit
ke pleke lo bana ba go bea yona for nakonyana 18 then ba tlo go move
yeah
ke ge lo bane a boletse leadership re ba re tsere from go to dusa ba re isa ka mola ba re dula only 3 months ba lokisa di pipe ka tutusa after then they will take us back go tutusa no ntho re bolelang ya gore bona ba le ba tlo re butsetsa morago a sanka ya diragala at all ba beile batho ba bang on the same place e lo ba ne ba re ba tlo butsetsa rena mo yona batswadi ba rena ba na le di-form C tsa gale tsa go bontsha gore dintlo tsa bona di gona mara still go sa no swana a gona le ntho le bana ba e šupa ba sa dula ka gara mekhukhu dintlo tsa bona re batotse ba rena ba di file bomang.
okay so nifike kanjani ekuthenini nithi hayi enough is enough mullo ditayara
gore re feletse re fitla mo tabeng ya goreng is better re skangeng is because of government ya rena ge re bolela le bona a banya ko re theeletša re matšhitse re ba file di-memorandum re gale re ba bitsa on round table a banya kotla ge re ba botsa always ba re botsa ka taba gore ba na le meeting go bolela le bona o kgopela meeting wa botsa gore okay re tla le botsa re tla schedule always re thola message ya bona e disappointment so we are tired like seriously we are tired ntho re nyaka nkonya go bona extension 8 ya rena e swana le naga tse dingwe e na le motlagase e na le metsi batswadi ba tolotswa moshigo ka matre ya masa or ka ma12 ya boshigo ba nyaka go ga metsi re bana ka sana ba kgolo ya sekolo.
Okay, awusichazeleke ukusuka izolo kuze kuzoba namhlanje ukwenzakaleni ngizange nibe nenkinga yini namaphoyisa Clayville yona iring
amaphoyisa awuthi ngibeke ngalendlela azange abe ne problem nathi because mabafika kithi besibanikeza I document le besibabonisa ukuthi like we have been trying by all means the councillor uyazazi ikhalo zethu but akasthathi serious so the better way ukuthi sicela abaphezulu kwakhe because yena uyahluleka or asazi ukuthi uyahluleka or is because of lapha akasthathi serious so sicela abaphezulu kwakhe baze ba account ku lokhunjaneni extension 8.
Okay, so strike sithomile kana komang sa tswela pele niqedile
awuthi ngibeke ngalendlela istrike sicale izolo ngabo ma 10.
Okay,
so now we are saying if ever abayeze bazophendula abeze bazoyenza okuright
dabulela ntate
ngeke si stope istrike siyaqhubeka siyaphambili asistop.
Okay, so nakusasa sengabona same similar situation.
We are saying namhlanje siyaqhubeka since basilindisile basitshela ukuthi bayeza ngoba sikhulume no namaphoyisa base Ivory bathi balanda ulokhunjani lapha na office labo baze nabo so since no ukhansela uyalile simbizile ukhansela ubatshela ukuthi yena ngeke aze so sisibuza ukuthi ukhansela weoffice or uyikhansela yomphakathi na so
kune violent na kanti lapha ya
no i-violent ayikho lento ekhona noma ningaza na checka ayikho imoto ilimele akekho umuntu olimele just nje is a radical strike but okulimaza abantu asibalimazi.
Okay,
yebo ba
all right ngitsibile uri una le strike sa mathomo sa bobedi sa tswele pele sa Clayville o tsamaya yang.
Okay, strike sa Clayville Secretary 13 which is Friday.
Okay,
is a peaceful march yabona.
Okay,
because of skolo sela basagangamula sa private abasinyake.
Okay,
le rena re are sinyake ka lo bane now demarcation iritiang irikopantsha le bona within 6 months.
Okay.
So re tla ba re bola mo le bona mo wating ye 1. So ge ba dira skolo sela gore rena ke ge lo bane ra te palela so ntse reng re sokole na bana ba rena ba sokole because of ra ipalela na rena re nyaka public school
yeah,
re nyaka clinic mo budulong ba rena.
okay, right, ake sijike ngapha ngaseyitolo masibuya sibuye ke sizoyivala nabo ke esinabo sikhuluma ke nezakhamuzi zalapha yayitsolopele extension 8 informal settlements ukhumbuleke imbono nemizwa yabo abayidlulisa emphakathini ileyo qondene nabo hayi ukuthi ngoba mhlambe ke simelana nabo kuloko abakusho thina okwethu ukuthi banikeze iplatform bakhulume ukhumbuleke ukuthi ke udaba oluqhubekayo lolu nanomasipala ke siyaqhubeka ke sokwazi ukuthi sixhumane nabo kuningi ke sikubonayo okubhaliwe la Tswelopele extension 8 informal settlements service delivery region kuningi dating back njoba ke besho okunye ngikubonayo kwanga 19 August 2024 ziningi ke ikhalo belokwe bebhala phansi ezikhona ukukhomba ngempela esinye njengoba ngisho nje 27 August 2024 received by the city of Ekurhuleni uyabona la istamp esikhombayo office of the executive mayor ukukhomba ngempela ukuthi ikhalo zabo ikhalo ke ezaziwayo okwethu ukuthi sihlale phansi nomasipala ukwazi ukuthi usiqondise kabanzi okwamanje ake sijike ngapha ngaseyitolo masibuya siyayivala.
The Gauteng provincial government is working to expand public services such as health and education, grow an inclusive economy, create jobs and fight crime. MEC of Finance and Economic Development Lebogang Maile will outline how these and other projects will be funded when he presents the 2026-2027 provincial budget to the legislature on Tuesday the 10th of March at 10 a.m. Tune in to your favorite radio station for a live broadcast of the speech and join the conversation about public finances on X and Facebook using hashtag Gauteng Budget 2026. This message is brought to you by the Gauteng Provincial Government, growing Gauteng together.
Asiphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele ake sibheke ukuthi ke wobani abanye esihlezi nabo uThepang Bucks 2 uye wakhuluma ukuthi ke the bridge needs a special attention because when it rains we still can't cross to other side, and 80% of the school kids use that bridge to go to school as there are no school that side. Ezinye ke ngempela ke izinto ke abakhulumayo ngicabanga ukuthi ungomunye ke wezakhamunzi ke la uThepang because ngiyabona ke cishe ke inkulumo zabo uyasho ukuthi ke no changes ever since enough is enough. Ungomunye ke wabahlali awuswaka manje uqala ukarata ubona udiyalangi sikwazi ukuthi sivale siyazi ukuthi ke udaba oluqhubekayo nathi sazo engage nomasipala.
Bolela nnete nka rata ho bona mokhanselara a tle ko extension 8 a tla bone lo re nna plekeng e byang, and then if ha dutse kwa ha ona le hore a ka tla bona lo re pila rena re lla ka eng, but ha ka tla bona lo re vele wa really struggling ka nnete ke mo lo reng o tla khona o dira di changes ko extension 8.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Re kwala le wena ntate Maphala, what is the way forward from here?
Way forward ke gore ba santse ba upgrade our sewer system. Re khona ho thola di toilet ka mo jarateng re tshwana le location tse dingwe. And then ba re fele metsi because metsi ke tloba boroko. Remember no o ile ko mmerekong ga o boya a hona le metsi sonje o hlape we mmerekong o swantse o je o swantse o apeye dilo tse ka fela nyaka metsi. So re ba tsepile gore okay bona ba tlo dira this tendering system ya bona gore okay bona ba itebele bona self re ka sa gona ka yona like we are fed up. Ntore nyaka nko nya go bona ba lokiseditse di service metsi a nyake ga re a gopele re a nyaka ke a rena ke ditirelo tsa rena tse sonje ba re fetsona metsi re a nyaka di toilet re a nyaka sonje di be gona ba tla ba upgrade di system then ke mo lo bani do tsarna di tla ba sharp. But if ever aba ikemsetsa o berekshana le rena ka ta hore ba upgrade di system ya rena le hore ba re fe metsi ba tlo tswela pele ba re tsetsa metsi a dithangelo bana a re tsho ra tswa le ko kae, then we will continue. So ntore ba tlang go e bona gore aba atle on board ba tle ba re botsa okay what is their plan about us, because now we are going to voting ba batlo tla morena ba nyaka di vote akere. So we are the voters, re nyaka di tshwanelo tse lo bane ke tsa rena re a di nyaka a re di gopela.
Kausane motho o berekisang Republic Road via Mall of Tembisa R562 Old Fans Fontaine Road o tlabe o tsamaya
ke bietle ka gore ge ba se batle mo go rena tsela ena e ka se be gona a ra sona o tshware ije re jiga tsela e ka se be gona se re se bolelang gore re a banyaka ba re tshepitse gore bona ba etla since re dutse the whole day a batle. So ge ba sa tle re a continue until ba etla mo rena ba bile ke rena mo ba ditseng gona le no swantse batle mo rena ba tsona re ba ile go di officing ba bereka di office ba bereka ka rena, so swantse batle mo rena ba dire dilo tse di right then le rena re tla ba right.
Ngiyezwakala. Cha siyabonga kakhulu bakwethu njoba ke nizwela nani amalunga ke womphakathi. Siyabonga baba imizwa yenu nokukhuluma kwenu thina ke okwethu ukuthi sinikeze ke i-platform. Thank you so much Awusi ukuze nikwazi ukuthi ke ndlulise nikhumbule ke Thembisa online platform yomphakathi imbono yabantu abasuke bekhuluma eyabo akuyona yethu thina ngaso sonke isikhathi abantu sohlezi banika i-platform. Kanti ke udaba oluqhubekayo siyaxhumana nomasipala ukuze sikwazi ukuthi mhlambe uma ngabe umasipala eba available noma ngabe i-representative mhlambe by next week or earlier whenever sizokwazi ukuthi sikhulumisane nabo. Okwamanje umphakathi uyasho ukuthi hayi wothi ubomvu awuvume lutho ngempela. Tswelopile extension 8 mawukuthi usebenzisa umgwaqo R562 Old Fans Fontaine Road Republic Road mawusuka la ngaseCalfontein khona uyophumela le phezulu, you must know ukuthi ke bathi bayaqhubeka nesiteleka. Iloko ke nje okukhona. Igama lami mina ngingumfanele uPhenyibheshu ngingowakwadzanibe isibongo. Ake ngibheke la ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani. Ya angazi ke mhlambe sinayo into ethinta i25 zika April ikhona eduze mhlambe singakwazi ukuthi ke sibheke one man show 25 April OMS one man show mawuthanda nokho ke ezinye ke zeindaba lezo ke ezimnandi zibalekile abantu ke bala eThembisa bayayibe ijabulise ke ngakho lokho OMS nokho ke singaqinisekisa ukuthi ke kuyenzeka ke ngikubalele ke abanye ke babaculi okuyibona ke abazobe bekhona. Amathikithi ayatholakala ngicabanga ukuthi ke nemininingwane abafowethu ke bayakwazi ukuthi ke bakuvezele uyibone. Abanye babaculi ke bazobe bekhona uSjava uZinxumalo kube ke uTos noma ke uTOSS uShandesh uzobe khona naye Uncool MC kube ke uTimen Express Yami P uba nomunye T4 Shimza kubeke Melo Enslizi ya uMelo Enslizi nami ngiyabathanda nokubezwa la bedlala qunqunqunqu usuke ngihleka umhawe ethi hey wazini wena ngendaba zalo Melo Enslizi abafana bangakhuluma lutho ngaze ngibabona abantu abanje mina bathule bayangena nje mabengena balandelana bafike lapha bashaya into zabo bathule mabeqedile futhi ichayile bayaphuma uyayibona bese kuba ke uScott Maphuma khona futhi nami ingoma engiyithandayo kaScott Maphuma ethi siya wave alright Kabza the small insizwa ke uFezela Mshini ya hayi abantu abasha bangenisile Hectic and Sia uba nomunye la 031 Chopper yeziboshelo uDaki ukhona naye uba nomunye u25k uBig Baller Royal Music siboshelo ngempela ke masikhuluma ke ngeOMS amathikithi singaqinisekisa ukuthi ke ayatholakala kwenzeka nini kuphi na nge25 zika April eMutsu Park zobe iboshelwe lobe libhubha ngempela ke lapha ya endaweni ke yaseMutsu Park asijike itolo ke nje kokugcina ncima sibuya sizoyevala ke sibheka udaba oluthinta ke security la kwa Multi Choice lapha ya eRandburg khumbula ke kusasa kwethulwa ke isabelo sezimali esifundazweni saseGauteng ake sije ngapha.
The Gauteng provincial government is working to expand public services such as health and education, grow an inclusive economy, create jobs and fight crime. Ministry of Finance and Economic Development, Lebogang Maile, will outline how these and other projects will be funded when he presents the 2026-2027 provincial budgets to the legislature on Tuesday, the 10th of March at 10 a.m. Tune in to your favorite radio station for a live broadcast of the speech and join the conversation about public finances on X and Facebook using hashtag Gauteng Budgets 2026. This message is brought to you by the Gauteng Provincial Government, growing Gauteng together. The Gauteng provincial government is working to expand public services such as health and education, grow an inclusive economy, create jobs and fight crime. MEC of Finance and Economic Development Lebogang Maile will outline how these and other projects will be funded when he presents the 2026-2027 provincial budget to the legislature on Tuesday, the 10th of March at 10 a.m. Tune in to your favorite radio station for a live broadcast of the speech and join the conversation about public finances on X and Facebook using hashtag Gauteng Budgets 2026. This message is brought to you by the Gauteng Provincial Government, growing Gauteng together.
Phinde ke sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaZani besibongo siPhenyi Bheshu show la sihlala nawe khona sibheka ke izinto ezikhona nenkinga zomphakathi udaba engithi ake sivale ngalo la udaba nokhulu ubhlungu kakhulu intandokazi ke yabantu engasekho emhlabeni obengunogada walapha yakwa Multi Choice eRandburg umhlonishwa ke uDavid Sijobe walimala ke engozini lapho kwayihamba ngebhayisikili lakhe kwaseqhamuka ke imoto yase ke imshayisa amaphoyisa aqinisekise ukuba kuze kube manje nokho ubengakatholakali bakwethu ke nokho ke loyo mshayeli owalimaza ke lona ke wesilisa udume kakhulu ke ubaba uSijobe ngokumamatheka kwakhe ke okujabuliseka abantu abaningi ezinye zeindaba lezo singakwazi ukuthi siqinisekisele zona sithi ke awuqhubeke ke umoya wakhe uphumule ngokuthula ngokwesikhulumi samaphoyisa esifundazweni saseGauteng uyena ke uKennel Ndimakatso nebuhuyili uthi ke cha kuze kube manje kulolu daba bekungakaze kube ukuthi ke kuboshwa umuntu kodwa ke ikhona imoto okuyiyona ke ethathiwe ukuze ke iyophenywa kabanzi kubhekwe ukuthi ke ngabe akusiyo yini le eyatholakala ke amaphathi wayo kuyona ke indawo ke yesigameko ilokho nje singakwazi ukuthi siqinisekisele zona lezo indaba hayi bakwethu azikho ezinye ngaphekwa leyo khona okusalayo akukho okusalayo sengawo ukuthi ke ngibheke nje mawukuthi uphakamise isandla ngibiza igama lakho bese mina nawe sesiyoze ke sidibane kawusane ake sibone ukuthi mhlambe ke wobani abaphakamiseke izandla la all right sawubona Dumela Thobela Okay, let me see ukuthi ke wobani sinabo la. Okay, cha buka ngathi hayi simnandi sigrand si right. Igama lami ke ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaZanibe isibongo bese ngakho ke indaba bese kuphathele zona kulolu suku lwanamhlanje kanti ke ngihamba ngedwa khona ku Derek Phukela short by Hauser kanjalo naye ubanele uBrazo wakwaSondlo ibona ke sinabo kulolu suku lwanamhlanje siPhenyi Bheshu show udaba lolu esilidingitile esokwazi ukuthi siphinde sibize noma sicele inkulumo kamasipala sikwazi ukuthi ke siqhubeke ngayo siyayivala ke nje manje nisale kahle.